What's going on, guys? We got Scott's off-road truck today, and I'm pretty excited to do this thing. It's on Link G4 engine management, so I'm looking forward to doing some of that. And just look at that thing. Whew. Toyota off-road in all its glory. He built the chassis all himself. Oh, I can't wait to just dive into this thing. Get ready, guys. This is gonna get fun. Yeah, we know how much he loves backing up. Good. She's a wide one.
Yep. She's real wide.
Yeah, I'll chalk you up.
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you doing?
So we're here with Scott's Toyota off-road rig. You built this for trick truck 1400 class, right?
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about it. What do you got in here?
It's got a 5.7 Tundra engine out of a 2008. It's got 26 inches of travel in the front, about 29 in the rear. Trophy truck numbers kind of thing. It's a supercharged Magnuson 1900 T, whatever it is, 1900 CFM. And then it's got a Toyota transmission as well, 6-speed.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah, you got paddle shift in there and everything. It's all controlled through the ECU, right?
Yeah, it's standalone, yep. Totally.
Sweet. So it's on a Link G4 ECU?
The engine is, and the tranny's on a PCS TCM 2000.
Okay, so separate ECU for the tranny.
Yep, yeah.
Right on. So, supercharger on there. So the engine's stuffed back quite a ways here for the suspension to all go through the front here. All the electronics in here. Headsets, extra parts, safety equipment. Whew, this one heck of a rig. I've got to like crawl through here.
Tight spot.
Yeah. Red 13. Perfect. That's a tight fit in there.
Yeah, I can imagine, man.
For a little guy like you. Yeah.
Yeah, you on that Jenny Craig, bro.
Took it too far with the Jenny Craig.
Oh. Oh man.
You're a monster.
You're a monster.
And you came from Albuquerque, right?
Yeah.
That's sweet, man. Heck yeah. Yeah, we just noticed the back door's even open still. And you did all this chassis work in your garage, right?
In my shop.
In your shop? Okay. Yeah, man, there's a lot of chassis work in this thing. So it still has, so this is the factory cab, and it still has the factory frame rails like under the cab, right?
Yeah, it's got about 3 or 4 feet of factory frame rail left.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
So I basically just built everything off the cab, front and back.
Yeah.
That's sweet. It's another cool attention to detail here. So he does have one wiper. He had to build the whole mechanism under it for it, because obviously you can see the supercharger's right under where the factory mechanism would be. So at least he's got one in there.
All right, I'm ready to drive this thing, so let's get with it. Paddle shift is awesome.
397. You gotta get the graph to show up here. There we go. There's a graph. And that looks nice. I don't know if you can see that graph from in here, but damn, that looks good.
It's a good start.
397.
Nice.
What gear was that? 4th? So, we got a touch of an oil leak. So, you climb under here with us. And you can see how far back this engine actually is.
Looks wet right there. Yeah, it's just... Yeah, cool. And then maybe tranny or something.
No, that looks oil. What do you run for tranny fluid?
The Toyota shit. It's like...
Is it reddish or?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is definitely
residual.
engine oil color.
That is, yeah. I was thinking this one.
Oh, that, yeah, that might be
I don't know.
just a touch of residual.
Okay.
That looks red from here.
Okay, cool.
That looks red from here, so that's tranny. It does look a little wet on the right there at that middle bolt right here, and the back one, yeah.
Yep, yep. And that one.
See how the pan probably just needs sealed up on that.
Yep. Okay, cool.
So while we're under here, you guys can see this is factory frame rail from here back to about where the rear suspension attaches to it. He's added a lot to that for all this stuff here. Every direction you look at this thing, it's way cool. So we just got a touch of a drip from the pan on the engine and transmission. So nothing to worry about though.
So like it works like
Oh, I got you. So they lever out. Man, that's sweet. Oh yeah. That looks way easier than our stuff. That's way cool.
I tell you, this link system's working perfectly. The paddle shifters are just awesome.
Picked up a good amount there in that lower section and the top. We lost a little in the middle, it looks like. So it matched power-wise and up top, but the mid-range lost just a little bit, not a lot.
All working. All right, so we're gonna mess with some of the VVTi stuff and see if we can't pick up some low-end grunt for it. Since we don't have a whole bunch of RPM to play with, the fuel and everything else is looking pretty darn good. So I'm ready to rock, man. Do it. A little tip in this thing and be trucking. 50C, 70C is where we're going.
That gained some everywhere. Everywhere matched pretty good right there.
You're getting close.
Alright, so that was 411 total, and it picked up almost everywhere.
Yep. Tell him his VV cast is gonna work great. Yep.
So now he's into the VVTI changes. That's where he's getting all this power. Or 17 on what, 3 back-to-back pulls? 417. You're gaining power on back-to-back pulls with a supercharger.
We're gonna keep picking at it.
Yeah.
Keep picking.
So this is the core for the supercharger. It's really dense. Sean was actually just admiring it. It's bar and plate. It's cold to the touch. Our intake temps, what do we figure out, 93 degrees with 4 back-to-back pulls. And the radiator, you can even touch that side of it, right? The hot side?
I can hold my hands on it for like a second.
Yeah, and this side's ice cold.
I mean, it feels about 175-ish from
Yeah.
the engine.
But
this
then
side, it's like, let me go put my Red Bull on it.
Yeah. That's sweet. That's what these things need.
Yeah, running it around.
They need to.
Desert, they need that.
Yeah.
I agree.
426. Man. 426. I want you to come look at these graphs. So 423. So from the mid-range up, it lost a little. You ready for this?
What?
434. Keep in mind where we started. 397. We started at 397, bro.
Last time I came over, it was at 417. So
Yeah.
man,
That's working.
go Brett.
I might try a couple hundred extra RPM too, because it just wants to stretch so bad.
It's still on the upward climb.
All right, we've made some exhaust cam changes. I want to see if give us anything. This is really a lot of fun, honestly.
Matched it. Look how much it carried. That was 107 mile an hour. Same exact power, same exact graph, but had 7 mile an hour.
Nice. Exhaust cam might not have done, but I think it's pretty good change.
428. It lost about everywhere except the hit.
Then we know.
Go back the other direction.
Now we know. All right, I put my exhaust cam back where I had it, and I got a little rowdy. So let's see what we can get.
Found it. 443. You found it that time, boss.
Felt so good.
443.
443.
That's, we've made 46 horsepower today. Like
Tweaking.
Like
Tweaking.
we haven't been able to change a pulley.
Yeah.
Can't make it make any more boost.
Nope.
This is all fuel timing and cam angle.
Damn angles though. I think that's where we're gonna be though.
Yeah, that seems solid.
I threw a kitchen sink at her. I even just made a comment before. I was like, I got rowdy, so let's see where it goes. So,
was that on the exhaust cam where you got that power?
No, I
just
put
now?
the exhaust fan back where I had it. I fudged the intake a little bit and then I trimmed it out.
Okay. Heck yeah. So that's probably where we're gonna end up.
I mean, I can try and back it up. All right, guys, we cooled the supercharger down. We're gonna try one more rip, just to kind of see if we can break that little barrier. So, all right, let's do it. You have to love it. All this super cool stuff. Getting to rip this hot rod on the dyno all day. Guys spent years building this thing. This rig, man. Just want to do a good job and make it awesome. Going 450 all day, so I'm stoked. I got my goal. I got my goal.
55 horsepower is what you gained today.
That's awesome. That is wicked good. That was cool, man. Super pumped.
452. Yeah! 452.
Had to go for it, man.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
That's awesome.
I think it's gonna be a total different machine than you showed up.
Yes.
Yeah, every year you're gonna be like, oh yeah.
What you think, Tom?
Move.
Yeah.
Old rooster tail of whatever you're on flying up behind you.
It's gonna rip.
Yeah.
It's cool. Wow, we're just gonna scrap. No drive shafts came out.
It's
Oh man.
yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
That's a different truck right there.
Yeah. Well, the truck was awesome. My day eluded me though, so I'm not gonna get on the bully again. But I'm still planning on getting it on the roller some point this week. Jamie has my schedule full, but I'm gonna get there. We've got some cool cars coming up and a lot of fun stuff to do. So stay tuned, stay watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.